What's up, guys? I have a new toy here. It's the Headrush Gigboard. It's a multi-effects processor. And as always, I'll make a quick unboxing video of this new gadget. So, what we have here is the manual, of course. Okay. And we have a USB cable. Same as the Marshall Code 50, you can plug this directly to your computer and record your work. So it's also an audio interface. This is the power supply. Alright. Okay, so the power cord. Alright. Guys, it's pretty heavy and it has a large display. So this is where you plug in your guitar. Most likely you can plug in an expression pedal here or a crybaby wah. Output left and right. What else? So you have a MIDI in, MIDI out, USB, power switch, and the power connector. So there you go, the Headrush Gigboard. Thank you for watching.